Hello, today we are here with the Professor Dr. Eric Breton. First of all, we want to thank you for your visit this week on behalf of our university community. Uh, Thank you for this enriching lecture. It was very interesting about health promotion. And we also want to know about more of you, about your current role in REN. Can you tell us, please,
Yeah,
something?
absolutely. Well, thank you. Thank you for having me here. In Rennes, I'm a professor of health promotion. And I also have a role at the EUPHA, so the European Public Health Association, as the president of the health promotion section. So health promotion is my thing. And yeah, so that's I teach, I do research, I do consultancy with governments and things like that. Yeah.
Thank you.
Mm.
Okay, thank you very much. So you mentioned not just EUPHA, but also the importance of the health associations and public health associations
Mm.
across Europe and the world. So we would like to know more about the current work of the health promotion section in EUPHA. I don't know, maybe working topics or relevant
Yeah.
topics currently.
Well, I mean, the section is really about connecting people across Europe. I mean, there's always this issue of, I mean, professionals, wherever they are, when they work in health promotion, I mean, very often they feel a bit lonely. They feel, I mean, you talk about very small teams, people are, and they have this, really this issue of not being always sure with whether what they're doing is what they should be doing, and always decided that actually health promotion is a bit there's under investment in health promotion. So the health promotion section is one of its primary role is really to make health promotion visible across Europe and to connect those professionals. So to get them to realize that actually the issue they're facing, they're not very often, they're not specific to their context. Actually, they are shared by many other colleagues across Europe. So we organize webinars, I mean, on different topics. We have a newsletter. We organize also events during the conference, the annual conference of EUPHA. And in terms of topics, we're very much, there are other sections working, for instance, on health literacy, on the social skills and things like that. So we leave that to them. We're very much about what professionals, I mean, health promotions in the sense of what you can do to build capacities to address the upstream determinants of health. So that's what we are mostly in.
Okay.
Mm.
Thank you very much. We will also like to ask you about what would you like to say to our community, to our university community, some take-home messages that you have from this class.
Well, I mean, I think in Europe and in many countries outside Europe, the main challenge we're facing is that we underestimate the power of local actions, of local transformations. And I mean, my take-home message would be really to look at those policy instruments at the local level that are there to actually increase the capacities of local stakeholders, of the inhabitants, to actually be able to change living conditions. This is really, I mean, this is I would say what we can do best for health promotion people. We're good at connecting people, getting them around the same table, to get different sectors of activities of societies to talk to each other. And so in a way that actually allows us to address very complex questions that cannot be addressed when you work in silos, when you don't, your education and you just work with education people. When you're in transportation, you just work with transportation people. So that this health in all policy thing is I would say it's most powerful when you work on it at the local level. that would be my main message. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Doctor. So we are grateful for this opportunity to have the
Pleasure was
visit in our university for this lecture. Of course, you're always welcome, and we hope to see you in the next integration module in REN. Thank you very
yeah, it
much.
would be my pleasure. Thank you to you.
Thank you.